Hi, welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create curves for your slab edge. So first you're going to want to open up a new family and you're going to want to select the profile family thing, if I can find it. It's at the top. There it is. So we want to select the profile, so it's just like a cross of reference lines. You're going to want to go to line and start creating your slab edge. So I'll go up to like 6 inches and then I'll go over and just kind of create a slab edge, slab curve for you. Kind of something like this. This works. Okay, and so once you have that, you're going to want to save it. So save it as like curb or something like that. And then I'm going to load into project. So you're going to want to go to your site plan and make sure that your floors, your concrete floors, are actually floors, not anything else, because the slab edge won't work. So I'm just going to create concrete floors really quick right now. There we go. So in order to create the curb, you're going to want to go to the floor tab and slab edge. So as you can see, mine didn't pop up, so you're going to have to edit type and duplicate. So I'm just going to name this one curb example or something like that. And select the profile that you have. So I just click that one. And so now we're on the right one, and to start adding the curb edges, you just select the edges of the floor slab that you have and it automatically creates the curves for you. So yeah, as you can see, the curves are already made. So that's how you create curves for your site plan.